Okay. Did you see any weapons or anything?
I saw a frying pan, but I think it got thrown all the way over there.
Okay.
Within a minute, they found a witness and a torn shirt.
Why is your shirt ripped?
Sir, hey.
Why do you have a rip in the back of your shirt?
6 minutes later, they located the woman with the frying pan.
So I have a video of you swinging frying pans at people?
After beef, yeah.
So I have a video of you swinging a frying pan at a gentleman at I-09. At I-09, is there any reason for that?
On June 2nd, 2024, officers responded to a residential disturbance involving an improvised weapon.
Hello.
Hey, man.
What's going on?
Ma'am?
What's going on?
What, over here?
Yeah, so we got a bunch of people calling saying that y'all were over here arguing.
Oh, no, that was at the top down there.
Well, they were saying it's right here.
Oh,
And that there was a frying pan thrown.
oh yes, no, not over here.
What's going on?
Oh, no. It went over here, though.
Okay, well, stop and talk to me for a second. Where are you going? Yes. Why is your shirt ripped? Why is your shirt ripped?
Sir, hey, can you do it?
I'm telling you to stop.
Oh,
He
no,
gave
my
you a
shirt.
lawful command, and you didn't listen, okay? So stop and listen to me. Why do you have a rip in the back of your shirt? Why is there a frying pan across the parking lot?
I don't know. I'm about to go to work.
You're not about to go anywhere. We're going to sit here and have a conversation.
Just hold on. Just keep your hand out the back.
Okay, so what's going on tonight?
Now, I called the police when I heard stuff down there. That was me on the phone with the police.
Okay.
When it calmed down, I stopped talking to the police. I told her it calmed down. That was it.
It calmed down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was on the phone with dispatch.
Okay. So what happened?
We was outside. We was hanging here. Me and my girlfriend.
Okay.
We was walking down there to go to the pool. Late night swim.
Mhm.
We heard arguments down there. We called the police.
Okay.
We told them what we seen at the time. When she asked for it, we told her what was going on.
Okay. So why do we have other people saying that y'all were arguing?
Who's y'all?
Is it the same couple from before, Glenn?
Who's y'all?
I've been out here before. It's the same
But
couple
who's
from
y'all?
The folks from this residence, from the residence, did you just walk out of arguing?
No, ma'am. No, not y'all. Everyone else.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Riley,
What's going on?
We're trying to figure it out, man.
we ain't got nothing to do with us, bro. We
Yes,
just-
Hey, what?
What's going
So
on
is the female
tonight?
and male still up there?
No, ma'am. It's
Is the
nobody.
female and male still up there? The guy that used to live here.
Right
He had
here.
that girl
He's
that
right
kept
there,
messing with him.
sir. No, it ain't got nothing to do with him. No,
You supposed
it's
to have-
other people that was out there. No, sir.
Okay, so we're just trying to figure
Man,
out.
no, that shit, bro. Shut the up, bro. No, that
They
girl
said we
came
lost
with a frying pan.
Riley,
That
shut
girl
up.
came with a frying pan. I took it out of hand and I threw shit. But she was sitting here trying to assault somebody with a frying pan.
Who is she
Girl,
trying to
Jordan,
hit?
no, bro. Bro, I'm tired of this shit. Yeah, I'll show you why I threw that.
If you wouldn't mind.
Everybody was going to talk.
You gotta figure this out, y'all. Just hold on.
So she was.
Put my phone.
Oh, you're fine, sweetie. So what happened with the frying pan? She was trying to hit somebody with
She
it?
was trying to hit somebody with it. She
Okay.
came real aggressive. That's the frying pan. I took it out of hand and I threw it over here. That's the frying
You
pan.
threw it over here?
Right
Okay.
here.
And she was trying to hit people with
Yes.
it?
She came at the door, hitting the door with it. That's why
Okay.
it's bent.
Oh, wow.
She was hitting the door with it. You can come.
Do you have marks on your door?
Come in.
Okay. Was she threatening the other woman who's inside? Or was it just everybody?
Did anybody get threatened? Yes or no? Tell the truth. The police right here. Did you get threatened?
She kicked your car? Was that tonight?
No, it was like, I called the police already. I got a police car in the car.
Okay. And it was the same girl from tonight?
Yeah, I can show you my police card.
Okay. So you don't know that you
My
worked up and
general
everything?
but
That's
I was
okay.
watching a baseball game.
Yeah.
And she came to hit the door. So that was that. And then when I opened the door, I seen her. She tried to. She was.
Where did that come from?
Hanging that right there.
How you doing?
And so I shut the door.
Thank you.
That's when I opened the door and I was like, she was like, hey man, I'm talking to gibberish. I don't know what her reason was. Could be more than what I know.
Yeah.
I know she disrespected why I stay. That's
Yeah.
that.
Okay. Okay, so she came and she hit the door a bunch.
She hit that door. And I got
With
to
the
pay.
frying pan.
I have to pay for that.
Where did she get the frying pan from?
Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. With that frying pan, look, it's bent.
Yeah.
She hit it right there.
Okay. And
That's
you've
what
met
she
her
did.
before? You've had dealings with her before? Was this incident here?
Yes.
Okay.
I actually recorded everything.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You need to stop. Trying to
So, what did she say specifically? Was she doing anything like tonight?
What she got to do to my car? She ran up. She was trying to see the thing. Bitch, I'm pregnant. What are you talking about? Record. I will. You might go to jail. God, that's how I know you keep my card. You want to fight? You can't. You want to fight a 7-month pregnant bitch? You stupid. Like, she came over here to
Did
fight.
she hit him? Is that why he's got a rip in the back of his shirt?
Yeah, she grabbed him.
Okay.
I stayed up here the whole time.
How do y'all know her?
He was dealing with her.
Okay. Are they together?
No.
Were they ever together or talking or
I'm yes. And
like
yes.
situationship type thing?
Every time she see my car, she comes here. On the phone all night trying to fight.
Who he was going after. So I don't know who even the victim is right now.
Okay.
I mean, I guess everybody. Like, she was trying to swing on everybody. But she was trying to get to me, but I stayed up here because I am 7 months pregnant.
Okay.
And
You don't want your baby in
Yeah,
danger.
I'm not going to get my baby
So,
involved.
what was she saying when she was running around in here just
When
talking to folks?
she banged on the door and she was like, I was coming downstairs, so I couldn't hear her that part, but I just know she had that, and she was trying to get to me.
Mm-hmm.
But somebody else called the police first before I did call the police actually.
Hello. So what's going on tonight?
I'm not sure. What's going on?
So, she didn't talk to you? Okay. So, I have a video of you swinging frying pans at people?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm confused, yeah.
How are you confused?
You say you have a video of me swinging frying pan? I'm confused.
Yeah. So, I have a video of you swinging a frying pan at a gentleman at I-09. At I-09, is there any reason for that?
I'm confused, Miss Ma'am.
Why are you confused?
I'm trying to go home. I'm confused.
What is there to be confused about?
I was trying to go to my swimming pool from here. Do you have the video of that?
I don't have the video of you walking to the swimming pool. I do have a video of you swinging a frying pan at somebody. Is there any reason for that?
Yeah, I was trying
Did you feel unsafe when you were swinging the frying pan? Was it an act of self-defense?
Yeah, Miss Ma'am. I was trying.
How was it an act of self-defense? He was unarmed.
I was trying to go from my house to here. That's it.
Okay, well, your residence is right across the street from the pool, not all the way down at the end of the circle. How was it an act of self-defense?
I already have filed a fight. I don't feel safe without the law enforcement, ma'am. So.
With the what?
Without a lawyer, I don't feel.
Without a lawyer present?
Yeah.
A key misconception ran through the entire encounter. The subject asked for a lawyer, believing it would stop the arrest. That is not how American arrest law works, and the distinction matters for every viewer of this footage. Under Atwater versus Lago Vista, decided in 2001, officers may arrest for even minor offenses when probable cause exists. The right to counsel attaches to custodial interrogation, not to the arrest itself, as Miranda versus Arizona established in 1966. Once probable cause exists, the arrest proceeds regardless of what the subject says or refuses to say. Probable cause here rested on what prosecutors often call a corroboration chain. Multiple independent witnesses, physical evidence at the scene, and a visible injury consistent with the reported attack. Under Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968, these factors comfortably meet the reasonable suspicion threshold required for detention. Corroborated by civilian video, they cross into the higher probable cause standard required for a warrantless arrest. The subject then raised self-defense. American self-defense doctrine has 3 near universal requirements that must all be met. The threat must be imminent, the response must be proportional, and the claimant cannot be the initial aggressor. Swinging an improvised weapon at an unarmed individual fails all 3 prongs at the same moment.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. You can go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why? Why? Why?
Stop resisting. Stop.
Why? Why?
Put your other hand behind your back or this will continue hurting.
Why?
I got it.
Why?
Hold on. Calmly move your hand. Thank you.
What is this arrest
Hold
for?
on.
Why?
Just hold on and she'll explain it to you in a second, okay?
Who felt like that? Oh, hold on. Who?
I got a phone right here.
Thank you.
Hold on. Who? Why? Why? Who felt like that? Hold on. Who?
Do you have anything on you want to tell me about?
What? Hold on. Who felt like that?
Do you have anything on you want to tell me
No,
about?
man. Who felt like that? who? How do I, you're not telling me what
I
all
got
this is. Tell me. How do I, who? What out of who? What,
Get in the car.
you're not telling me what out of who?
Yeah, you just punched in the back of your glass.
I know she was just hitting the back of the glass.
Put your hand behind your back. Stop.
Okay, I'm surrendering. I'm surrendering. I'm surrendering.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm surrendering.
Stop.
I'm surrendering.
Do you want to go to the ground?
I'm surrendering. What happened?
Stop.
You're not telling me what I owe.
Stop.
You're not telling
Put her
me
to the
what I
ground.
owe.
To the
Go
ground.
down.
You're not telling me what I owe.
I got it.
You're not telling me what I owe.
Go ahead.
You're not
Stop
telling me what I owe.
resisting. Stay
You're
down.
not telling me what I owe. You're 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 not telling me what I owe. What happened? You're not telling me what I didn't do. You're not telling me what I didn't do.
I just did something really dumb.
Put your feet around.
But what is it for?
Put your around or we're going to put you in.
Pull me in for what? You're not telling me what I owe. You're not telling me what I owe. But you're not telling me what I didn't do.
You need to stop, man.
Do you want to get rip hobbled?
No, but you're not telling me what I any
If
who.
you don't calm down, I will strap you down. Am I clear?
But you're not telling me what I any who. You're not telling me what I any who. I never hit anybody. You're not. I never hit anybody. I never hit anybody. Ma'am, I'm gonna sit down. Ma'am, I'm gonna sit down. Ma'am, I'm gonna. Ma'am, I never did anything.
Stop.
Stop it.
But I never did anything.
Stop.
Ma'am, I never did
Stop.
anything. And you're trying to take me to jail. Ma'am.
Quit resisting and it will quit hurting.
Ma'am, you're just gonna me.
Shut your door.
You're ma'am, you're just trying You're just trying Ow. You're just trying to
Sit back.
You're just trying Are you still trying Are you still trying
Stop. Sit back.
Are you trying
Open up the other side.
Are you gonna try to
Grab her arm.
Ow! Ow!
Shut the
Are you I never
Shut the
Shut the door, Stephanie.
No.
I got her.
Stephanie, come on.
Get off of me now.
Stephanie.
All right. So, I never did anything. I never did anything. I never did anything. Ah! Y'all was trying to. No. No, okay, stop.
Where's your rip hobble at?
All right. Sarge,
Y'all trying to take.
will you come?
Shut your door.
Ow.
Not anything that was intentional.
What do you want me to do?
So
yeah.
I left my handcuffs in there.
What are you locking me up for?
You're under arrest for simple assault
What am I?
and now obstruction.
What?
About the door.
Yo, felony or was that?
What about the door?
I didn't do anything.
What did she do? Oh yeah, and criminal trespass, damage property.
Officer use of force during the arrest is governed by Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. That decision requires objective reasonableness, evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. When words and actions conflict, trained officers respond to actions, not to statements. A verbal declaration of surrender does not override active physical resistance in the eyes of the law. A second misconception also deserves attention. Many believe an unlawful arrest may be lawfully resisted. That was true at common law, but it is no longer true in the vast majority of American states. Resistance is now a separate criminal offense, independent of whether the underlying arrest is later ruled valid. The proper remedy is a civil rights suit under Section 1983 of Title 42 of the United States Code. Not physical resistance at the moment of arrest, which only stacks additional charges. The responding officers receive a B+ for methodical evidence gathering and proportional force. The female subject receives a D for aggression, contradiction under corroborated evidence, and stacked resistance. The male resident receives a B for effective defense without escalating to counter-assault. The pregnant witness receives an A- for textbook civilian behavior during a violent incident. 3 lessons stand out. First, invoking counsel does not stop an arrest supported by probable cause. It only limits questioning after custody attaches, which is a narrower protection than most people believe. Second, self-defense is unavailable to the person who initiates the physical confrontation. Third, resistance is a separate crime, and the courtroom is the only lawful venue to contest an unlawful arrest. Let us know in the comments if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.